The version Nismo Type 380RS is a Z33 Fairlady Z based car built by Nismo, who poured in racing technology gained from years of motorsport activities as the factory racing team for Nissan. The 300-unit limited edition machine is a works-tuned street car with improved body rigidity, reinforced brakes, tuned suspension, front and rear aerodynamic bumpers and rear spoiler, and a VQ35 House 3.8L racing engine detuned for street use that produces 345 HP 7,200 RPM and 292.9 feet lb/4,800 RPM. House Amuse tuned this car even further to create the Amuse NISMO 380RS Super Leggera. By changing compression ratios and tuning the intake and exhaust systems, the power output was increased to 381 HP 7,100 RPM and 302.3 feet lb/4,860 RPM. And furthermore, as the name Super Leggera, meaning superlight in Italian implies, the vehicle's weight has been reduced to 1,370 kilograms, 140 kilograms lighter than the original car. This was achieved by replacing the roof panel and many other body parts with carbon, and utilizing titanium for the exhaust system and other metal parts. The body parts are not just for lightweight and looks, they all take into account important functions such as cooling efficiency and aerodynamics. This machine was displayed at the Tokyo Auto Salon in January 2008, and received the Gran Turismo Award selected by the Gran Turismo series producer, Kazunori Yamauchi.